guys, Baseball Betsy here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just dropping in for a quick Dunedin Blue Jays spring training stadium construction update here. And as you can see, I was just outside. It's really hot, really humid today. We're probably going to get some storms. So I did a quick trip over to the stadium to get you some pictures of what's going on today. I knew some of this was going to happen this week, but I was really surprised to see it. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy it.
The area where they're working today is this area circled in red. The buildings they're removing are the former visitors clubhouse and a machine shop or workshop for the stadium. In the area above, there will be a kids zone and maybe a barbecue area or some other kind of food court type area for the stadium. Just for the record, I am standing on the public sidewalk outside the fence along Beltree Street. Here is a similar view to what I took last week. You can see that the artificial surface is now gone. I was lucky enough to have a friend that could get me to a different angle so you could get a different view of what's going on inside the stadium. I noticed while editing this that you can see straight through the old press boxes to the other side and see the sky. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the little bell notification so that you can be notified the next time I post an update. I'm going to try to post these videos weekly to keep you updated on the progress here in Dunedin. Thanks for watching.